Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to remove Apple ID without password. So removing an Apple ID from an iPhone without the password can be challenging as Apple prioritizes security and user privacy. However, there are some scenarios where you might need to do this, such as if you purchase a used iPhone that's still linked to the previous owner's Apple ID. So here is a general guide on how to proceed. So simply go to the settings, go to the general, and in general, scroll down and tap on the transfer or reset icon and then tap on the erase or all content settings. After you tap on it, you'll be navigated to erase this iPhone. So basically continue with the process and erase all the data in the iPhone. It will erase the Apple ID inside this iPhone without the password. So the another method is simply go to the your settings again and tap on your name icon, then simply scroll down and tap on the sign out option available down there. So after you tap on the sign out, simply tap on the sign out option available in the top right corner and your iPhone or Apple ID will successfully be signed out. So that is it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.